난 꼭 문제가 있어야겠어요. 조금 자리 kusaya 나를 거야.
Hello and welcome on board your Emirates flight today. This is your no-nonsense safety video. We do not have dancers breaking into song, characters from movies, or celebrities trying to be funny, I'm afraid.
But at Emirates, safety always comes first. So it's important that we take you through some safety features before takeoff. And you all can get back to our award-winning entertainment system. So, here we go.
Please make sure you place all your bags up here at the overhead locker. Or, if you have smaller bags, you can place them down in front.
In first class, there are storage areas inside your suite. And if you have a laptop, turn it off. Then put your video in light. To take off, you can put away your table, TV and footrest. Open your window blinds, and all seats need to be completely upright. Also, we recommend you keep your shoes on for takeoff.
Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the sound is on. You can tighten the seatbelt by pulling the strap and lift it up like this to unfasten it.
We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're in your seat with your seat with a blanket. Fasten the seatbelt over the top so you do not have to disturb you.
For departure, please keep your devices on flight mode, or switch them off until we're in the air. Should you drop the device, please do not rush your flight. We will be more than happy to help. This could avoid moving the seats, which could damage your phone.
Everyone knows that it's now illegal to smoke on board. Just for clarity, this also includes electronic smoking devices.
And in case you didn't know, all the lavatories have smoke detectors.
If there's a change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will appear to your button. Hold the mask towards you like this to start the flow of oxygen. Put the mask over your mouth and nose, adjust the strap and breathe normally. And always put your own mask on first before you help anyone else.
In the unlikely event of an emergency, when cabin crew tell you to brace, lean forward against the seat in front of you, like this. And like this if you're holding anything.
Or lean forward with your arms tucked under your legs, like this. There are life jackets under or to the side of your seat. Remove the life jacket and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist, fasten in front. Pull firmly to make sure it's secure.
Only inflate your life jacket at the door when you're leaving the aircraft. To inflate this, pull the two red bubbles sharply downward. You can also inflate or tuck up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. There's a light and whistle on your life jacket to attract attention. Cabin crew will give out life jackets or life pots for instance.
Take a moment to find the emergency exit nearest to your seat. Look back, as it may be behind you.
There are 8 emergency exits on this Boeing 777-200.
If we need to evacuate, leave all your bags behind and follow the lights on the floor to the nearest exit. Take off high-heeled shoes before you use the